In this video, I'll be unboxing the Powerbeats Fit, so you get a better idea what's included in the box and also what's not included. So right when we open the box, we can see the case. Over here, we're gonna come to it in just a few seconds. Let's see what's under it. So start over here. We're gonna have a bunch of very small manuals and a Beats sticker inside. And right on the backing of this box, we're gonna see the extra ear tips. So over here we have extra small, small. There's no medium because the medium comes pre-installed on the earbuds. And we also have large ones. Let's open the case. As you notice, they comes, as I said, with the medium ear tip, and there's also a button over here to enter pairing mode with them. Otherwise, if we inspect the case, we're gonna have a light on the front that can tell you if they need to be charged, if it's blinking red, or if it's blinking white the way it is. It simply means that it's waiting to get paired with your device. And on the back over here, we have a USB Type-C port. But as you notice, the USB Type-C cable and charger are not included at all in the case. You'll have to provide your own. Also, this case is not capable of wireless charging. So even if you put it on a charger, nothing will happen. On the earbuds themselves, if we look closely, we're gonna have a button. The Beats logo is the button, but there's no volume rocker or volume buttons anywhere else. Comparing to the Beats Fit Pro that I had in the past, the stem over here is definitely less stiffer, a lot more flexible. But otherwise, this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. And if you need a charger, I'll put links in the description and links towards the Powerbeats Fit as well if you want to get them from Amazon. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.